Hello my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil spell bag series. Each month I create a unique magic sigil that you can use for your own spell work. In this video, we create a sigil to use in magical workings for new beginnings, roads opening, and opportunity. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create this sigil. If you'd like to download any of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. To begin creating the magical sigil, I start with the magical intention. I write this out as a positive phrase. My statement for this sigil is, I embrace new beginnings and the promise they hold. Be careful not to combine too many ideas into a single sigil. It's best to have one clear, single intent that represents your true will. I remove all vowels, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds. If a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I'm left with MBR, CNW, GSD, THP, YL. Next, I use the number chart to turn the letters into numbers. I'm left with 522, 3677, 344, 8814. I have 4 sets of side-by-side repeated numbers, and so I will combine those numbers into one, leaving me with 523, 673, 4814. Next, I use the circle wheel to create my sigil. Each space on the wheel is numbered. I use lines to connect each number in the sigil in order. As I work, I focus my intention and put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. I embrace new beginnings and the promise that they hold. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop and recreated it as a digital artwork, which I sent off to be turned into a custom stamp. This design will be transferred onto spell bags for my patrons and for my Etsy shop. While I waited for the custom stamp to arrive, I had time to prepare my muslin bags. I measured the width of each bag and cut pieces of heavy cardstock to fit inside. Then I rounded the corners of the cardstock so that it could slide into the bags easily. And here is the custom stamp I ordered. I decided to use a grass green fabric paint on a foam stamp pad to transfer my design onto the spell bags. On my Patreon, I have a Sigil Spell Bag Patreon tier. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with stickers and a note from me, and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside their card each month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, I'll put a link in the description below. This sigil is meant to be shared Feel free to use it in any magical workings that you do related to new beginnings, roads opening, and opportunity. You can fill this spell bag with any herbs, petitions, or crystals that you like. You might choose to include seeds. Seeds represent new beginnings, growth, and renewal. These are apple seeds, but you can use any seeds that you have on hand. Eggs are another common ingredient used in folk magic to represent new beginnings. Eggs are associated with fertility and birth, and any egg-shaped talisman would be a good addition. New leaves are a symbol of new beginnings because they represent growth and renewal. Leaves from trees like birch, willow, and oak can be used in spells to represent new beginnings. Lavender is also a good option to help release old patterns and negativity, allowing for new growth and positivity. Clear quartz clears the mind and promotes focus and clarity, and can be helpful when embarking on a new journey. These are just a few examples of ingredients used in folk magic to represent new beginnings. What you choose for your spell bag will be personal to you and the magical intent you are making it for.